Raksha Bandhan is celebrated by Hindus, Jains and Sikhs on a full moon day in the month of Shravan according to the Hindu lunar calendar. Religions like Islam and Hinduism follow lunar calendars based on the monthly cycle of the moon. While traditionally sisters tie a Rakhi on their brother's wrist on Raksha Bandhan, the festival has now embraced the bond between friends and children and parents. Women also tie Rakhis to people they aren't related to but share a close brother-like bond with. Foona wishes everyone a very happy Raksha Bandhan. Here are some more festivals in India that are also observed on the same full moon day. Pavitropana is celebrated in Gujarat. Devotees of Shiva worship Shivlings and place sacred threads on them. Rakhi Purnima. Fishermen on the western coast of India offer coconuts to the sea as a form of worship of Varuna, the god of the sea. Rakhi Purnima. Farmers and mothers worship goddess Bhagwati in north and central India. They ask for blessings for good crops and the well-being of their children.